Rod the Tool Guy here at ARES Tools. Today we're going to be featuring our impact rated turbo socket sets that are a must-have for removing damaged, tapered, rounded, or frozen fasteners. If you've ever had a strip bolt or a fastener, you know the struggle of getting it removed. This set will be a lifesaver. The ARES turbo socket sets come in two set options: the 29022, the 18-piece quarter drive, or the 29023, which is a 15-piece quarter drive and 3/8 drive combo set. So let's get into these. The 18-piece set includes 16 quarter-inch drive turbo sockets in both SAE and metric, and we'll list all those sizes included on the screen. It also has a quarter-inch drive hex adapter, a knockout pin, and of course it comes in a durable case for easy storage and transportation. The 15-piece set includes 12 turbo sockets in quarter-inch and 3/8 drive. And again, we'll list those sizes on the screen. Plus a quarter-inch drive and 3/8 drive hex adapters and a knockout pin, and packed in this nice case. Let's get to the best part of these sockets, the internal design. These sockets are manufactured here in the USA and are constructed of a premium hardened steel, which gives you superior durability to remove the toughest fasteners. The unique internal design has helical teeth, which gives a more secure grip than a standard socket. The teeth bite into the fastener, which reduces the slippage while removing. These teeth provide a tighter grip as the torque is increased, allowing you to easily extract frozen bolts and studs. So let us see how these sets can save you time and headaches on the job. Okay, so we've got a setup here where we're going to demonstrate how well these sets can work. We've got some leg screws here that I've ground down so that sockets will no longer work on these guys. Wrenches will not work on them at all. And you'll see how these turbo sockets will pull these out no problem. Also, nice to know how thin walled they are. That's going to allow them to get into recessed areas, and we'll demonstrate that also. Okay, so obviously when we put this in here, we use vice grips to tighten it down as tight as possible. A lot of times you won't have room to use something like that, or if they are Loctited in or they're just absolutely frozen. If you've ever tried to use a locking plier on something like that, it usually winds up tearing it up more than the ability to get it out. And you can see adjustable wrench that you can set to any of the sizes. It doesn't grip either. So we'll go ahead and set this guy up. We're going to use the 3/8 drive on it with the impact. And the nice thing about these guys, with them being impact rated, if your diameters happen to be slightly off, you can go ahead and tap them with a hammer to help get them seated on the fastener, so they'll get a good bite when you go to remove them. Just like that. Super simple. And then obviously at this point you can use the knockout bar to knock this guy out of here. Here we have the recessed bolt, or in this case a leg screw. We can go ahead and set up for that with a quarter drive. And again, if you're between sizes or whatever, don't be afraid to go ahead and tap on one, the closest to fit, to help get it going, and you'll get it on there and you'll be able to get it out of there. Just like that. I think you guys will really appreciate having sets like this on hand. They are really a time saver, problem solver. I can't say enough good things about these guys. Well, there you have it, folks. The ARES 29022 and the 29023. Damaged bolt extractor turbo socket sets. The set every mechanic needs on hand for any project involved with rusted and damaged fasteners. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.